In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Awakening outfit in the strongest Battlegrounds iPad, mobile, Xbox, PlayStation 4, or PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your Awakening outfit for the strongest Battlegrounds. So, the strongest Battlegrounds is going to be a game as available. This is going to give you a special outfit when you use your Awakening form. So to set this up, what you actually have to do is go over to the Roblox avatar editor. So go over to roblox.com, click on these little three lines and go over to avatar. The best way to access this is going to be through a web browser on any mobile device, or if you can, on a console. Alternatively, just go over to a laptop or PC and you will be able to sign into your account here. Now, what you have to do is go over to characters and then select creations. In here, create a new character and you can name this whatever you want. For example, Awakening. Now, once you create this character here, you will be able to change it. So what you have to do is put on the clothes that you want to use in your awakened form. So you can go ahead and equip anything that you want to use. Just go ahead and change all of your clothing, your shirts, t-shirts, and so on. And once you have all of the items that you would like to use, you will be able to update that character that you created. So I'm just going to put this jersey on, and now you can go back to characters, creations, and update this. Once this character is updated with the outfit that you want to use for your Awakening outfit, you will be able to go back inside of the game, and when you have the Awakening Game Pass purchase, click on the settings icon, scroll down, you will eventually be able to find the option to customize the Awakening outfit here. Click on this, and now you will be able to select from the creations that you have made. Now, sadly, on my account, I don't have Awakening available, but if you do, you will see a list with all the creations currently on your character, and of course, you can select the one that you want to use. And then once you select that specific outfit, the next time you awaken, you will see that animation play out, and the outfit is going to appear. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Awakening outfit in the strongest Battlegrounds on iPad, mobile, Xbox, PlayStation 4, and PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.